Hello, my name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at the 235/75 17.5 16-Ply Load Range H Trazano trailer tire. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is your 235/75 17.5 16-Ply Trazano trailer tire. So, it has a speed rating of J on it, meaning it's rated to go 62 miles an hour. It's a Load Range H 16-Ply, and it's rated for 6,005 pounds, if you can see that, which that's pretty impressive considering most 18-ply tires are rated for 6,005 pounds, but yet this Trazano 16-ply is also rated for 6,005 pounds, so it's pretty interesting. And at 6,005 pounds on a single wheel or on a dual wheel, it's 56.75. The overall height on this guy is 31 inches, and it's about 9 inches wide. It has the CR-96A tread pattern, so it's a highway tread, straight tread pattern on there with that wide shoulder. So it's real nice. It's a all steel heavy duty tire. So if you're hauling heavy loads, you might want to check out this tire right here. And if you need these, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.